Hello guys! Magandang araw! Samahan niyo po kami maggala dahil 8 years anniversary namin mag-asawa. Naisipan namin na ang kids ang aming igagala. So tara, enjoy!
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. Hi Sky. 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 Look here. Hi.
Let's go! You want to go? Let's go! Let's go, nagaya na! Let's go! Hop, careful lang ako sa ano. Ganun, Sky. Oh, let's go, let's go. Ano naman ka na? Let's go, here! Here, Sky! Sky, here! Oops! Go, go, go! Here, Sky, come here! There! Wow! Let's go na! Go inside! Let's go inside. Inside na, go inside. Yay, pasok! Ay, sus, hila ng hila! Wow! Halika na, halika na! Halika na! Wait lang, magtatanggal ng shoes. Orange lang daw. Ay, naku, iniwan ako. Ayun na siya. Hoy, gumulong si Sky! Hi, Sky! Go, 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 go! Go, hala, hala! Tira mo siya paano? Sky! Pagulungin mo! Pagulungin. Come on down! Sky! Uy, Debbie, si Sky! Debbie, laruin mo si Sky. Ano, palaglag. Gawa ka. Wow! Huh? Huh? Pakahusay talaga naman. Oh, no. Ano yung mga baka muna? Oh, go. Say, Sky! Sus! Aray ko. Right! Grace, kuya! Sky, here na lang, oh! Sky, oh! Sky! Sky! Sky, here na lang, oh! Dito na lang, huwag na dyan. Pinapatayo din yung ano, bola. Lagay mo yung bola dyan. Aray, umaangat na siya eh. Bawa ka. Oh. Sky. Sky. Go, jumping! Let's go to kuya! Go, go, go! Wait, come here! Here! Uy, papasukin mo muna! Go! Go, jump, Sky! Go, jump! Jump! Jump, Sky, jump! Magandaan lang na, kuya. Nailan na. Hi, Skaggy! Oh! No, no na? No, no? Oh, no na daw siya. Oh, no na. No na daw siya, wait lang. Hindi kasi siya makadyo, pero siya naman. Jump na, go na. Ayaw niya na, no na. Let's go. Where are you going? Ne, ano kaya yun? Sky, come. Come here. Let's go there, oh. Napaawat ng kahera. Dali, let's go make pizza. Oh, let's go. Here naman, oh. Here, oh. Wow. Hi, girl. Hi, girlie. Can I make a pizza? Can I order some pizza? Girl, can I have some pizza? Hello. Girl, it's pizza. Can I make some pizza? Mga pera ka. Asa si kuya mo? Sushi bar. Wow, so many money. Money. May natin pera. Wow, namimigay ng pera sa kahera. Hello. Wow. Ay, wow. Kayaman niya. Napakayaman namimigay ng pera. Wow. Hindi pa natapos. Wow. Put it back. No more. Put it back inside. Put it back. You put it inside. Put it back. Make mama some pizza, girl. Wow, very good. Yay. One more time. It's open. Wow, ang dami na talagang pera. Yeah, over there. Yeah. Kaya naman sa pera. Pera talaga. I have so many money. Yay! Open. You put it back. Put it back na. Put it back. Oh, ang dami ng pera. Kids dollar. Na girl, put it back. Let's go there, oh. Kaya come on. No pala na pizzeria talaga. Come on. Let's go. Ay, nakamay. Ito naman. Wow, look at that cute parlor. It's a parlor over. Wow. Wow. Okay. Hey, there kayo. Wow. Okay, make one of you. Really. Wow, you use this. My hair. Put it in my hair. Here. Stop. Wow, dami ka na lang. What more? Ulit, chicken. You brush mama hair. Kaya you brush mama hair. Wow. No? Ayun na. Hey! Wow, what's that? It's a tomato. It's a corn. What's that? Sky. Oh, it's a grease? Oh, it's a grease. Mushroom. That's a mushroom. What's this? Orange. What's that? Carrots. Yeah, hey, carrots. Let's go there. Go. Hello, it's a flower. Hello, it's flower. Pabili po, flower.
Hey, tara! Kapag tayo! Sky!
Come on, Sky. Let's go there. Go. Balik ka ng diving. Dali na, Devin. Habang wala mag-slide, mag-slide ka na. Struggle, girl. Doon yung slide, oh. Sky, ano, Kerita? Wait lang, wait mo ako. Sky. Look, kuya. Ay, ka, Devin. Wait lang, look, kuya. Go. Kapila. 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 Ano, girl? Sige. Yo. Kuya. Sige, go. Hindi ka na nakita. Sky. Go, go, go. Sige na. Oo, sige na. Oo. Ano, turn? Ay, no, dyan. Baka malaglag ka dyan. Sky! No, dyan. Hindi yan slide, bro ka. Hindi mo. Oo, maakyat. Pantayan mo. Pantayan mo, lumusot ka. Oo, talaga namang bata ka. Oh, wait mo ko dyan. Hawakan mo muna siya, ha? Wait lang. Slide kayo dalawa? Kaya mo siya? Saunahan mo siya ilagay. Teka lang, Davin. Saunahan mo siya ilagay. Oh, yan, ganyan. Ready, go! Yay! Oh, so. Come here, Sky. Sky, come here. You put it here. Put it some fruits. Tomato. Oh, okay, tomato. Cucumber. Come here. Pepper. Pepper ba to? And strawberry. Oh, ito. Oh, siling. Malaki. Tabuyo. Also this one. Come on. Follow me. Follow me. Some watermelon. Put some watermelon. Orange. Here. Some grapes. Want some grapes? Corn. You want corn? Sige na. Oh, slice watermelon. Are you hungry? Banana. Oh, here. Banana. You want banana? Lagi na lahat. Oh, apple. Apple. Come here. How much? Can you count? It's a peach? It's a peach. Peach. Okay. Put it. Okay. Babayad na tayo doon. Dito ka-share. Sige na. First. Ganyan ba yun? Ano ba yung nilalagay? Bibi? Ano na ginawa mo, bro? Oh! Is it yummy? Wow! Thank you! Nom. Thank you! It's a banana! Nom. Sky! It's an apple! Apple! Let's go there! Let's go there! Here! Let's make a burger! Sky! Make me some burger! Hi, Sky! Can you make mama burger? Yummy! Come on, I'll try. Now, I'll make you a burger. Okay? What's this? Sa gulay. Oh, ano ko? Cheese and, of course, burger. Sky, look, I have a big burger. Can you see that? Sky, look, Sky! Wow, it's a yummy burger! You say, burger! Can I pay for it? See, ayun. Oh, it's a knife. So, siniwa na. Oh, fries. Things. Fries. No? Okay. Go. Can I? It's a yummy burger shop. Let's go in the other shop. Come on. Let's go. Here's Sky. It's a box. Is it cake? You just need to open it. Open, and there's a cake. Wow. Oh, there's plenty of cake. I want this one. I want this one. Gawa daw kayo ng cake. I'll wait here. Okay, gumawa daw kayo ng cake. Doon sa loob. So, medyo chocolate. Chocolatey. Chocolate ah. Vanilla. Yung white. Some tea. Kasi Sky naglalagay na ng tea. Very good, Sky. Ano? More chocolate. And strawberry. All the flavor na lang, anak. Hi, girl. Make me some burger, baby. Make me some burger. Sad. First plate. Ay, ano na kulay? Here's my drinks. Wow, a yummy burger. That's nice. Lulutuin mo pa yan dun eh. So, ayan po, makikita nyo po yung pinakaloob ng Kids Zona. Dito po yan sa Robinson General Trias, Cavite. Ayan. Napakaganda po dito at napakaluwag. Napakalaki ng kanilang mga palaruan. At ang dami matutunan dito ng mga kids. Lahat na pwede nilang laruin. Nandito na lahat ng role playing, pwede nilang laruin. Napakaganda po dito. Kaya naman ang aming kuya ay gusto na dito mag-birthday. Ayaw niya na doon sa aming bahay. Dito na lang daw siya mag-birthday ulit at pupunta kami dito ulit. At dito na lang namin isi-celebrate siguro. Dahil dito, ayaw na nilang umuwi. I-try nyo rin po i-visit dito. Tsak na mag-i-enjoy ang inyong mga kids. At magsasaya rin kayo, pati mga parents. Ang aming kuya ayaw na tantanan tong bakat-bakat na to. Pati puwet niya, binakat niya na. At ang amin naman ng baby Sky, ayan, paikot-ikot pa rin siya sa mga tindahan na gusto niyang laruin. Kung makikita nyo po yung ice cream na yan, gusto nyo nang ipasok sa bag ko talaga yan. Kaso hindi pwede, mapapagalitan tayo. Ayan lamang po at maraming salamat sa panonood.